So we're starting now to talk about matrices, and as an introduction we're going to start with the order of matrices. First of all, matrices is a way to represent information. So for instance, if I talk about, let's say, my maths test scores, let's say that in term 1 I got the following scores. Let's say I had a 76% score, a 62% score, and a 45% score. And then in term 2, I had 84, 93, and let's say a 32% score. So I'm just making this up now. So I have a particular amount of information. My maths test scores in terms 1 and 2. And then a matrix, because matrices is plural and singular I should say, is a matrix. It's just a way to represent that information. And it's always in those brackets. And I could say 76, 62, 45, 84, 93, 32. So this is the matrix. Let's say the matrix A that represents my maths test scores in terms 1 and 2. Now matrices can have all sorts of different sizes. So I have, if I just copy that one here, let's say the matrix A, the one I just made was 76, 62, 45, 84, 93 and 32, but matrices can have all sorts of sizes. Let's say I have a different matrix and it will look like this: 3, 5, 9, 10, 12 and 14. I don't know, I'm just making it up. I don't know what it represents, it doesn't matter for now. And let's say this one, 5, 24, 2 and 0. Okay, and the order of matrices, so the order of matrices says something about the size of a matrix. Because this one, for instance, is what we call, or the order of matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix. That's the order of this matrix. And of matrix B, that is a 3 by 2 matrix. And the order of matrix C is a 1 by 4 matrix. Now that is important. So what is the order of a matrix in general? It is the amount of rows times the amount of columns. That's just how we write it down. That's how we say something about the size of a matrix. So the order of a matrix, the amount of rows multiplied by the amount of columns. And you do not say so that equals 6. No, the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. Then everybody knows, oh, that matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. The order of a matrix of 3 by 2 has 3 rows and 2 columns. And a matrix of 1 by 4 has 1 row and 4 columns. So everybody knows the size of that matrix. If you know the order of a matrix, you know the size of a matrix. Okay, so that was an introduction to matrices, just a way to represent information. It's used a lot in, let's say, the computer language and all sorts of applications there. Go to my next video where we're just going to have a practice if we really understand what we mean with the order of matrices. Okay, I'll see you there.